This is Brian with IndexSpeculator.com. Quick morning this morning, $175 trade in 25 minutes. Again, it worked out very well for us. Our setup, which is to uh, identify the overall trend. We're a little high on the channel, and we see RSI has climbed up. We feel like it might be a little overextended and could see a pullback today. And we did see that. So we gave ourselves, on the 5-minute chart, we just allow for the again the first 4 or 5 minute candlesticks for the opening range. So our first step, identify the trend, and we see that we feel like it'll again touch the bottom of this trend line. The market on longer term charts is a little overextended, so we're thinking maybe a move down to 27.45 and a quarter. So we have our overall, we are bullish on the market, though here for today we feel like it could move a little bit lower, 27.45 and a quarter. Now the setup today will be for us to allow for the opening range, the first 4 or 5 minute candlesticks. So we give ourselves that first 20 minutes, see if we can figure out a direction, bullish or bearish. Get that direction on the, so we see here 15-minute chart, we have this opening range. We see that the bulls are in play, and now that we have a direction, we can figure out a retracement trade. So the market is down, the futures are down this morning in the opening range, and we're trying to get filled here at 27.54 and a half. So we have the opening range, we have our retracement trade, and we're not filled here on the first one. Hit the 50% and then move down. But now we have the opportunity, and this is an even stronger trade in our experience, to take the second retracement. So we see that the second retracement here at 50% will be 27.51 and a half. So we'll try to go short at 27.51 and a half, and this time we get filled. Before we were not filled at 27.54, and we were not filled at 27.54 3/4, and then ended up being the high tick. But when we measure for the second retracement now, we are going to go short here at 27.51 and a half. Our order is in. All right, our trade is on now. We're 27.51 and a half. We 50% retracement. This is the second one of today. We did not get the first retracement. So again, this setup, allow for the opening range. We get the direction. We have a directional bias. It's bearish for today. We allow for the market to move, pull back. There's our retracement, and that will be our entry point. So at 50% here, 27.51 and a half, we'll target a move back down to the lows so far in today, which is also the 0% on the retracement, which is 27.48 and a half. So we'll just continue to watch this. Very quick trade today. Now, it'd be wishful thinking to see it move back to the lower trend line. It'll take quite a while to do that, but that would make us feel very comfortable going long even more with more contracts. Right now, though, we're pretty high in the channel that we saw, that we kind of drew out earlier, and we're using multiple time frames, hourly, 15 minutes. Just give us some context for the type of move to expect. So here on the hourly, we see again more bullishness in the chart. We are short 27.51 and a half. We want to see that move down to 27.48 and a half. That'll be our target. All right, so we have our target. We have our order in. We want to get taken out here, 27.48.5, and it moves past that. Let's see here. Let's see. We have our buy order back on. $27.48, and we're filled. So $175 here. The setup was a retracement trade. The second retracement worked out, but $175. And again, demonstrating one contract.